Tappa Nappa shearing shed section contains 150 hectares or 370.65 acres of beautiful southern Fleurieu Peninsula high rainfall grazing country. Water security is a feature of Tappa Nappa with permanent running creeks and spring-fed dams. This section contains the substantial sheep infrastructure for the property, including the raised board shearing shed, excellent yards and loading facilities. Located between Delamere and Parawa, this property offers any intending purchasers a multitude of production and marketing options. Boasting abundant views of the Southern Ocean, Gulf St Vincent and of the lush and productive rolling countryside, it specialises in prime lamb, dairy and beef cattle production. The original cottage, built in 1936, is now used as farmstay accommodation. Black Bullock Road section is a beautiful secluded standalone block equally suited to the lifestyle buyer or for farm build-up. There is a permanent running spring-fed creek that dissects the two titles. Tent Rock Road section is located at the entrance to the Deep Creek Conservation Park and may hold wonderful opportunities for those with vision. The homestead, built in 1955, has beautiful bones waiting for you to make it yours. Bartlett's is a wonderful standalone property, complete with a one-stand shearing shed and associated yards, solar electric fencing, permanent running spring-fed creek and multiple dams. All inquiries to Greg Webber Smith for full information.